What up, what up, what up, what up? Rome, the city where hope springs eternal. It is a city that is proud of its ancient glorious heritage, the center of civilization that once expanded its empire through Europe, Africa, and Asia. Rome is a city drenched in history and Christianity. Let's go explore. What's going on, fam? In this video, I will be showing you the 3 most visited tourist destinations in Rome. First destination that we went to is Coliseum. Second one is Piazza Venezia. Third is Spanish Steps. Alright, follow along. Don't go nowhere. Let's go. What's up again, fam? Actually, it's now the next day. I didn't get to vlog anymore after our COVID test. So we're gonna go to the Colosseum right now. I hope it's not too crowded. Let's go. Alright, fam, so we made it here. Look, check it out. Can you see that? I've only seen this in pictures. And as expected, it's super crowded here. Look. You see that? Alright, so we're gonna walk down right now and take more pictures. I don't think we're gonna go inside because the line is really long. Alright, I'll see you guys downstairs. Alright, fam, so we're done taking pictures. There's a massive line over there. So yeah, we decided not to go in there. We just took pictures from outside here. That's the Colosseum. I guess that's, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but yeah. So right now we're gonna go up there, try to take more pictures from a better view on the top. And then after that, we're gonna go to this one more place called Venezia something, but I don't know the exact name of it, but we're gonna go there after here. All right, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Deuces. All right, fam, so we're now here at Piazza Venezia. I'm sorry, I'm really sorry if I'm pronouncing it incorrectly because my Filipino tongue doesn't know how to pronounce. But anyway, I'm gonna put the name of the actual place right here so you'll know. Alright, so we're gonna start walking around and then we're gonna take lots and lots of pictures again, just like last time. And then I don't know what's after here. What's up again, guys? So, as always, I have no information about this place. My first time here, I didn't do any research. My sister just took us here. That's why we're here right now. Alright, guys. This place is so nice. Wow. Rome. I'm freaking sold. I want to come back here again. Although there's a bunch of tourists, but hey, it's nice. That's all I can say. So nice. Alright, fam, so we're currently walking again. I thought I was gonna end the vlog there, but then we continued. We're at this place. I think it's called Spanish Steps. I'm gonna put the link down below. Not the link, but the name of the place right here, or there. Just kidding. It's freaking crowded here again. Look all the way over there. I don't know what's here. Well, so far I see Valentino store. There's going to be a lot more high-end stores all the way over there. I guess I'm just going to do lots and lots of B-rolls over here. All right. Oh my god, guys, this place puts Rodeo Drive to shame. Wow, this place is so crazy. All the high-end stores, like as you can see, from all the way to the back, that really long stretch here of all just designer brands. So all the way over there at the end. It's crazy. My god, it's insane, bro. First-time visitors may be easily overwhelmed by all this magnificent city has to offer. After all, one can find history and art on almost every street corner. That's why visitors may want to do their homework to narrow down what they want to see and do before they get on the plane bound for Italian capital. Italy, you are such a dope country. Alright, that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog, and if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you click the subscribe button. Don't forget to like it. Also, ring that notification bell. I have so many vlogs coming your way. Ring that bell so you'll get updated for my next vlogs. Alright, deuces.